Hello everyone, in this video I will going to demonstrate how to enter leave request in ERP. This will be a login screen. Here you will going to enter the email address, like here I am entering the email address of an employee. Here you will going to enter the password. Now click on login button in order to log in into ERP. After login, navigate to employee. Then click on leaves, which is a submenu of leave request. In order to create new leave request in ERP, click on create button. Now here you can see as soon as you will click on create button, the employee, department and manager name will come by default. Here in description, you will give the description or the reason for your leave. For example, here I am giving the reason as an urgent work. In leave type, you will select the leave type. For example, here I am selecting the leave type as earned leave. As soon as you will select your leave type as earned leave, you will able to see here in leave accrued. You will able to see the leave that has been accrued to you on the day you are creating this particular leave request. In leave utilized, you will able to see the leave has been utilized by you on the day you are creating this leave request. In leave balance, you will able to see your leave balance on the day you are creating this particular leave request. Here I am selecting the day status, whether I am taking leave as full day or half day. Quarter day is the case of short leave. For example, here I am selecting the day status as full day. In start and end date, you will select the start and end date of your leave. For example, here I am selecting the start date as 13 June. As soon as you will select the start and end date, the duration will automatically calculated here. In leave estimated, you will able to see the leave estimated, the estimated leave that is accrued to you on the day you are applying for the leave. In estimated leave balance, you will able to see the leave balance on the day you are applying for the leave. As soon as you enter all the details, click on save button. After clicking on save button, click on submit to manager button in order to submit this particular leave request to your manager. If you want to cancel this particular leave request, click on cancel button. For example, here I am submitting this particular leave request to my manager, so I am selecting it as submit to manager. Once I click this particular particular button submit to manager, my particular leave request is in awaiting manager approval. Once the manager gets approved this particular request, I will clearly able to see the status of my leave, that whether my leave is rejected or approved by my manager. Here you can also reset this particular leave request by clicking on reset to draft. This is how you can enter leave request in ERP. All the status related to your leave will going to reflect here. Suppose I have recently created this leave and this is for awaiting manager approval. So the leave request here, the status is awaiting manager approval. Once my leave is get confirmed or approved by my manager, then it will show the status as approved.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.